Hi, welcome to this video on how to approach solving multiple choice questions in a CMA exam. A CMA exam basically consists of two parts, the multiple choice question part and the descriptive part. The multiple choice part consists of 100 questions to be solved in a span of 3 hours, and the descriptive part consists of 2 questions to be solved in a span of 1 hour. 100 multiple choice questions in 180 minutes. Let us assume that each multiple choice question consists of about 3 to 4 lines. We are talking about a student reading, understanding and answering 400 lines in a span of 180 minutes. Now, this requires enormous preparation and practice before they take up the examination. This requires a deadly combo of speed and accuracy to solve these 100 questions. Please remember, the time saved in solving multiple choice questions is carried forward to the descriptive section, which means, let's say that you solve this 100 multiple choice questions in a span of about 2 hours and 40 minutes. The additional 20 minutes is carried forward to the descriptive section, giving you a time of 1 hour and 20 minutes to solve the descriptive questions of 2 each. The different types of questions a student can expect in a CMA exam scenario is conceptual based questions or theory questions. They can expect around 30 to 35 questions that fall under this category. Questions that revolve around solving a problem. This will also be another 30 to 35 questions. And the last type of question will be scenario based question, wherein a scenario is given and multiple questions are given based on the scenario. A student has to be adequately planning his approach to each of these questions so that he is able to complete all the 100 questions on time and ensure that he has even a little bit of a surplus time to be taken over for the descriptive section. The most important phase before taking up a CMA exam is the preparation phase. Of course, preparation is very important for any exam, but it is all the more important when the exam is objective in nature. The most important ingredient in an objective type of an exam is a conceptual understanding on the subject. As I had already mentioned, a student would require the deadly combination of speed and accuracy when solving multiple choice questions, and hence the conceptual clarity has to be absolutely spot on. He cannot be thinking in the examination hall for the simple reason 100 questions in 180 minutes would mean 1.8 minutes per question or about 100 seconds per question. And he has to maintain this pace throughout the examination duration of 3 hours, and hence all the concepts are to be at the fingertips of a student. He should also have the ability to read and understand things much faster, and hence he should make reading ability and capability very good before he approaches the examination. He has to understand things from a 360 degrees perspective. Please remember, questions are not repeated in a CMA examination, but the concepts are. Hence, if a student understands things from a 360 degrees perspective, it becomes much easier for him to answer questions that are concept based and which are almost throughout the examination. The span of attention today, unfortunately for most of us, is very short. We are not able to concentrate on any particular thing for more than a few minutes today. This does not work in a CMA exam scenario. When a student is taking up the CMA exam, he or she has to ensure that the entire duration of 4 hours, they have peak concentration. Please remember that this does not happen overnight. Hence, when you are preparing for the exams, you need to ensure that you are able to sit in one place and concentrate for a minimum duration of 3 to 4 hours, so that this would play an important role when you are taking up the examination. What should be your mindset when you are reaching the examination hall? Your mind needs to be uncluttered and totally relaxed. This is extremely important because this is what will ensure that you are able to concentrate for the next 3 to 4 hours and do your exams well. Come to Finspire Academy. We will train you on all these aspects and ensure that you are fully prepared when you are taking up your CMA exams and be successful in your first attempt. Together we can, together we shall.